Hello, my name is Prince. Today we are going to discuss some basics of Salesforce B2C commerce, like the account manager, control center, and the business manager. Before going forward, please subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get the regular updates from us. Now, let's discuss the account manager. What is the account manager? Account manager creates, maintains, and disables Commerce Cloud accounts. It also enables and disables API client. Now let's discuss the control center. What is control center? Control center enables you to manage the instances that is running. It also provides the facility to create the new instances. You can start, stop, and restart the instances. You can also view the utilization stats. Now let's discuss the business manager. What is business manager? Business manager is the command center of the Salesforce B2C commerce. It enables merchants to manage the products, customer, orders, SEO, etc. for the store. Now log into the account manager. For that, you need to go to the account.demandware.com. Just type this link in the web browser, or you can copy the link in the video description as well. So I have already logged into the account manager using my credentials. So you need to log in to the account manager. After that, you can see this kind of interface, your account information, account details, etc. So here you can see the user section. Tap on that. Here you can manage all the users, you can add the users, you can reset, delete the user as well. Also, you can manage the roles and permission of the user. Next, you tap on this API client. Here you can find the API client, and there is a button also to add the API client and manage the API client for the APIs like OC API, SC API, etc. Now log into the control center. You can find the link of the control center in the video description. I have already logged into the control center. When you log into the control center, first page, the reams will be available. Here you can see the reams that are available in your Salesforce B2C commerce. Reams basically contains all the instances, like for the testing, for the development, for the staging, and the live instances. So when you tap on particular ream, you will find all the instances that is running on that particular ream. Here you can create any new sandbox or any new instance. To create a new instance, I have created a video. You can find the link in the description of this video and watch that video to create the new instance. Here you can see that I have already created 2 instances. So in this section you can see that there are 3 options, that is restart, stop, and reset the instance. Now let's move to the instance. When you tap on this instance, you can check the users, the statistics, etc. Like for the utilization, the number of hours, that number of minutes that particular sandbox or particular instance is running. You can also tap on audit log to check the like all the logs that is available. Now let's move to the business manager. So for that, we need to go and open particular instance. Here you can find the link for the business manager. Just tap on that and log into the business manager. Once you have logged into the business manager, you can find this kind of UI. Here you can see that all the sites that is available in this particular instance is listed over here. Here you can see there are 2 sections, that is merchant tools and administration. Administrator basically manage the things using this particular menu, and the merchants basically manage all the things from here. Now let's see the site and how it looks like. So for that we need to select our site. I have already created a site. If you want to create a new site, you can watch the video for that. I have put the link in the description. So tap on this storefront. This is how the front end of the site looks. That's it for this video. We shall cover more topics in the coming videos. If you have any query, doubt, you can reach us at support@webcool.com. Thanks for watching this video. See you in the next one.